appreciate all the people who actually walk the talk. And whatever you have said, I felt that, like Devshmita said, that smiling face itself actually gives a positive feeling for us. So you already had shown us how to create a positive environment, how to deliver our classes. And the next thing, time management. I really appreciate that you are sticking onto your time. A lot of things, like whatever you have put in your screen or in your presentation, you were actually showing it as, like, rather than talking about it, it was speaking for you, like, whatever you were doing through your actions. Thank you so much. And I'm attending the first time I'm attending this thing, because I never get to, the timing was always difficult for me. So I was feeling like, oh, I should make sure that I should attend all the classes. Thank you so much for that inspiration. Thank you so much. And all the teammates were very, very, very attentive, and then they were giving us points and the thoughts where I would never have experienced in my lifestyle or wherever I am. Thank you so much for the session.